All right, so this is the beauty of living in Florida. Walked about 200 yards from my house here. We're gonna slide right back here and catch fish. There was just a fish right there. I've done really well in the past here with this exact lure. Yeah, changing our strategy from what we've been doing. Last few trips, last few days has been pretty finesse, except yesterday, I guess. But today, put on this KVD red eye shad. We're just gonna cover water like crazy. There he is. Day 8. Cool. Beautiful. Ooh. There's 2. Look at that. If that's not a sign from God, I don't know what is. Sign to keep fishing, boys. Oh, look at that. Crushed it. Big old Mayan. Wow. That's one of the bigger ones I've seen right there. Another big Mayan. That's cool.